Here it is, guys. This is the iPhone Max. Brand new. We got this today. We're going to unbox this guy. Let's see what we get here. There it is. Got the space gray. Comes with a set of earbuds, charger. So let's turn this bad boy on and let's check it out. So you can see the difference here on the one on the left. This is a 7 Plus rose gold. I'm going to select English. We're going to do a setup manually. There it is. Here's the new iPhone XS Max. Ready to go. You can see here, again, I'm just comparing it to the old 7 Plus. It's about the same size. Of course, the noticeable difference is going to be the screen here that we have. It does not have a button. So all you have to do is you just swipe up and it takes you back to the home screen. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your new phone.